Good morning, ASightToSee'ers. We are on day 2 of the road trip, and we are probably going to like 3 states today. I'm not entirely sure, but that's the current plan. I don't really know what I'm doing much in my life, so you know, kind of follow suit. Let's go to Maryland. Let's go to Maryland. Okay, let's go see this view. Maryland is beautiful. We're in Maryland, by the way. And there's no one else here. Why aren't people enjoying this beautiful fall day? Oh my God. That was insane. Okay, we're going back to the car before my fingers fall off from being frozen. This reminds me, I really need to get some like heated fingerless gloves. That's a good investment for me. I hope there isn't as many trucks this time around. There was so many trucks on the way here that I really heavily considered taking back roads, but the back roads looked worse than the highways. Like they were going through cities and I was like, nah, bro. So highway for the rest of the way it is. I do have another overlook planned. I'm just freezing. I do have gloves in that shelf. I'm really good at buying things to use. I'm just really bad at using the things to make my life more convenient. So let's just get back on the road. I'm obsessed with this road. Oh my goodness. Man, I could do roads like this all day long. But no, wants to put me back on the highway. This road is beautiful. There's literally nobody here. Perfect for me. Okay, you know what? This highway ain't that bad either. I like it. And I take this the entire way there. Perfect. Okay, you guys. I was originally looking for a different part of this state park, but I found this and it's beautiful. So I'm going to show you guys. Also, y'all know how I have driving anxiety, right? Well, so this just happened, and I don't know if I have driving anxiety or if I'm just psychic, but this like guy merged onto the highway in like a pickup truck, and he had like a bunch of boxes in the back, and I was like, that doesn't look very safe, so I was like, I'm gonna stay away from him. And then like 20 miles later, that box flies out of the back of the truck, and it has like sheet metal in it, and it just all comes crashing down on the highway. But I was not close to him. Thankfully, nobody else was either, but I don't know. Maybe I'm just psychic. Okay, let's go try and find the part of the state park that I was originally looking for now. So I didn't realize that overlook that I wanted to go to is a hike. I thought it was just an overlook like the other one, and I could just be there and see pretty things, but I'm running out of sunlight. You know, the time change is happening soon, and I still got a 2-hour drive to my hotel. So I'm not gonna go, but at least this was beautiful. Look, the sun already left this area since I got back in the car, so I'm gonna get back on the road. Sorry, I'm trying. Aw, snap, back in Pennsylvania again. 3rd state of the day. Wait, we were already in Pennsylvania. We've gone a lot of places. had an interesting check-in experience. One, I'm now just thinking about how the check-in person said that it would be very quiet up here. Yeah, because he asked if a third floor place would be okay. And I was like, yeah, that's fine, sounds good to me. Wow, it is very quiet. Checked in, check-in people are super nice. Said if I need anything, just call the front desk and they'd be more than happy to help me. I said, okay, thanks. And I took my key and I went and moved my car. I got some of my stuff and I came back up here and I was like, I noticed like an interesting smell, but I was like, it's not like a bad smell, so whatever, I don't care. I'm gonna pay like $50 a night for this room. And then the second I put down my stuff, my door starts to open and I'm like, it was the check-in guy. And he had like smoke odor spray. It was a non-smoking hotel. And I was like, oh, thanks. Just like a little awkward. And gave a little spray around the room. Smelled nice. He was like, is everything okay? Did you need anything? And I was like, I'm good. He's like, okay, if you do, call the front desk. I was like, will do, no problem. I go down to my car. I get more stuff. I come back up. And the second I put that stuff down, after locking both the deadbolts, of course, the phone rings and I pick it up. And he asked me how everything was again. And I was like, still great. And he was like, okay, call the front desk if you need anything. And I'm like, okay. A little strange, but I'm sure it's fine. If not, I'll update you. But here's the room. Don't mind all my stuff. Me. And bathroom. I love the artwork. Wow. I want that on my wall. Well, I think I'm gonna get some Denny's because there's a Denny's in this parking lot. And I don't want any peanut butter and jelly. That's what I have in the cooler. I'm really bad at buying road trip snacks. Like, I just don't eat them. No matter what I buy. It's like I want something else. Why? Why does it happen? Anyway, tomorrow is a super fun day. I have a tour planned and I'm filming another episode of Most Unique Airbnb. And it's really exciting, so get ready for that one. But for now, I'm going to spend the rest of the night editing and I will catch y'all on the next one.